So I'm going to use the blender to mince it. So I have my pig garlic here, I have a little bit of ginger, and I have my onion. Add a little bit of water. I have hot paprika, I have basil, I have parsley and ginger. Then I'll make use of a little bit of oregano. Then I have my soy sauce. So for each of these spices I'm going to be using half spoon each for all of them, but for paprika I'm going to use 2 spoons. Right here, my butter, minced garlic and ginger in it. So while it's on, I will then put I have a little bit of pepper. Bring in the seasoning. I'll put this water. Let it cook. So I'll add a little bit of lemon juice. Add some salt to it. I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Then I'll let it boil.